Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese dosa using an easy method. First, let's prepare the batter. Begin by soaking 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of urad dal for at least 4 hours. After soaking, grind them into a smooth, pourable batter. Allow this batter to ferment overnight. This step is crucial for a light and airy dosa. Now let's cook our dosa. Heat a non-stick griddle or tawa over medium heat. Once hot, pour a ladleful of the fermented batter onto the center and quickly spread it outwards in a circular motion to form a thin, even layer. Drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges and cook until the dosa turns golden brown and crispy, especially around the edges. The best part is next, adding the cheese. Once your dosa is cooked on one side and looks golden, generously grate your favorite cheese directly onto the hot surface. Cheddar, mozzarella, or a blend works wonderfully. Let the cheese melt slightly from the residual heat. Then carefully fold the dosa in half and remove it from the griddle. It's ready to serve. Serve your delicious, hot cheese dosa immediately with your favorite coconut chutney, sambar, or even a simple tomato ketchup. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of cheese to find your perfect flavor combination. You can also add finely chopped vegetables for extra nutrition. And speaking of great deals, you'll find a link to a fantastic book about money in the description, along with other helpful resources. Enjoy your homemade cheese dosa.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.